Okay, guys. So we'll be studying about coprocessor instructions. It's not wide topic. It's just a small one, and you'll be able to complete this soon. You just have to talk about two things where we will be using what to say moving, and another where you will be like storing and loading type. So I'll just explain it. It's related to PCR as well. So see here, it is they just extend the ARM set by adding extra processing capabilities. What are the extra processing capabilities? See, memory management, caching, system control, and mathematical operations. Types of coprocessors, they are uh, coprocessor data processing, then they are coprocessor register transfer, and then memory transfer. For memory transfer, we are using load store things. For register transfer, we are using the see PCR thing we just used above, right? See MSR, MRS, and MSR. So here we are using same way instead of that thing only see MRC and MCR. So here what is happening basically? So we are from the processor we are storing to register. Then from register we are again sending back to the processor. It's like that. And here we are storing what to say transferring the block of memory from memory to memory, here from register to processor. It's like that, very simple. If you have to remember, if you just remember this one line, it's very easy for you to like understand this another. See, it's CDP condition CP opcode. So till here everything is same till here. So here you have CD CN opcode 2. Here the only difference is CD will be C will be replaced with R, and additional CM is there. You have this extra. Here what happens, this whole part is removed and only these two are here with addressing. Very simple, right? It is just small things like how your coprocessor register transfer, coprocessor memory transfer, and coprocessor data processing. Just that's all. And coprocessing numbering. So CP field identifies the coprocessor numbers. So usually syntax it is CP, but in actual example CP with some number will be there. So that's why they have specifically given an example CP15. If you can see here, they have given an example coprocessor 15 instruction syntax. How it is called. So you have to remember this MRC. See MRC. Okay, P15 0R1. These three are one type of set. This is one different thing, this is one different thing. If you see here, see how CP15 is for all these four things: memory management, cache control, write buffer control, processor identification. How it is done? So it reads the CP15 register C0 into R10. So what P15 is doing here, it selects the coprocessor 15 used for system control. See, coprocessor 15 CP15 it is what was selecting. Then R10 is the destination address, C0 and then just 0. It refers to the register 0 inside CP15 which holds the processor ID. Okay, just simple thing. In the previous video we discussed about PCR, PSR program status. We did not discover the application. We are here is the application for both, CP, I mean PSR and coprocessor instructions. If you just read it, that should be enough for you to understand. And then we have loading constants. So we have successfully completed this, that was done in the previous video, and here we have done uh, this. So now we can successfully move to this, and that concludes half of the chapter. So if you see here in the notes, we have almost half done, and once this is completed, it won't take much long. See, we are just writing the assembly code. So from here chapter 6, so almost 25 pages are done. So more 22 pages. So it won't be much long. We'll be able to complete it soon, and we'll see you in the next video.